Tableau and MicroStrategy are two of the most popular products for analytics, each one with different strengths. MicroStrategy is known for its platform capabilities, specifically security, governance, and scalability. Tableau is known for its ease of use and self-service capabilities. With Web Data Connector for Tableau, organizations get the best of both worlds by providing a seamless integration between the two products. The connector provides Tableau users with instant access to secure, governed data that has been modeled in MicroStrategy. The connector leverages MicroStrategy's robust APIs, and deployment is simple. Through Tableau's native Web Data Connector support, the experience is seamless for the user, allowing them to visualize data in Tableau without the need for IT to build manual data extracts or any other customization. Take advantage of the quick response time and instantly updated, rich visualizations within Tableau, knowing the data behind the screen is reliable, governed, and scalable thanks to MicroStrategy.